following video will demonstrate how to access trip history on MyGeotab. To begin, you'll want to click on Productivity on the left-hand side panel and select Trip History. From there, you're able to select the asset that you want to check the trip history for. And now you're able to see the trip history for the following asset. Over here on the right-hand side, you can see the days and you can scroll back and forth to see the trip history for each day. If you click on Summary at the top of the page, you can get a quick summary of all the trips for the asset. You can see the live position of the current asset as well. And then if you click here, you can see all the trips for the asset for all days. And those are the steps for accessing trip history on MyGeotab.